Hello everybody, I am Tadashi Mori and in this video here I will show you how to make this Origami Lion by Snyder. This is an intermediate level origami, so I made it using a 25 cm kami or 10 inches, but you can make it using a 15 cm or 6 inches paper. And before we start, I'd like to thank my new members, the Angel members Rowley Origami Tutorials, Pablo Andres Martinez and T, and the new friends Luiz Guevara, Siddharth, Satoru Sudoku, Bentran, Marcos Eduardo, Gruant, Really VK, Jamaican Butter, Sunfall, and Shangnar Origami. Thanks a lot for making this channel possible. É isso aí, tamo junto, and let's start. Start with the white side facing upwards, and you are going to fold and unfold along these lines. Now fold and unfold along both diagonals. Now fold the corners of the paper up to the middle point. And make rabbit ear folds on the front flaps. The model will look like this. Now, turn the model over. And again, you're going to make rabbit ear folds on the sides. And the model will look like this. Now fold and unfold only the front flap. And you're going to fold the whole model in half. Now fold the front flaps like this. And repeat this step on the other side. Inside reverse fold along these lines, paying attention to the references. Now fold only one layer to the left. And you're going to fold along this line. Now close these layers. Now make an inside reverse fold along this line. Fold only one layer to the right. And you're going to open the front layer. And you're going to make this fold reversing the pyramid inside. And to do it, you're just going to press the tip of the pyramid, so the middle is going to pop out like this. Now, do the same thing here on the other side. And close these layers. Okay, now you're going to fold only a single layer in this direction, and the model will look like this. Now you're going to make an inside reverse fold on the front layer along this line. And fold this top part to the middle. Now do the same thing to the other side. So again, you're going to fold only the front layer like this. Then make an inside reverse fold and fold the top part to the middle. Now inside reverse fold along this line. And the model will look like this. Now you're going to fold and unfold only the front layer along this line. Do the same thing to the other side. And you're going to fold this front layer upward like this. Again, repeat on the other side. And for the next step, we are going to see the model from below. And just make a valley fold along this line. Now close back the model. And you're going to fold the layer making the back of the lion to the middle. And the model will look like this. Now do the same thing to the other side. For the next step, we are going to open the layers a little bit just to see the back of the head. So, pull this layer a little bit like this, and we are going to make this small fold just to lock the head. Okay, now for the next step I'm going to zoom in a little bit just to see the details on the legs. So, start by making this belly fold. Now, another belly fold forward. Now unfold both folds we just made. And you're going to make a crimp fold along these two folds we just made. And the model will look like this. So, if you don't know how to make a crimp fold, I'm going to show you slowly. So you just have to open the layers a little bit and make these two V-shaped folds. And the model will look like this. Now, do the same thing on the other legs. So, again, make a crimp fold here on the back leg. And again, just make these two V-shaped folds to finish the crimp fold. Now, just make curved mountain fold to shape the belly and the back of the lion. Twist the tail to give it some shape. And you're going to spread the layers on the mane to give it more volume. So the front view will be like this. And to finish shaping the leg, you're going to open the feet a little bit and make a small fold on the tip of the leg. And that's it, the model is done. So just so you can compare, here is one made with a printer paper, one made with a 25 cm kami, and one using a 15 cm kami. And that's it. If you liked this video, please do not forget to click on the like button and to subscribe to my channel. And if possible, consider becoming a member so you can support my channel, and you will also have access to an exclusive Darkness Dragon 3 tutorial. And as always, don't forget to be nice to the others and to yourself. Thanks a lot for watching this video. See you, bye bye.